this color. Hey, I'm sorry, y'all, but this camera view does this car like no justice. Like, you need to see this color. Brand new Stinger, fresh off the truck, y'all. What do we think? Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Sheesh. My bad, accident. Hit the horn by accident. Oh my God, she's beautiful. And it has that camera in the blind spots too. Oh man, this thing is beautiful, y'all. This thing is beautiful. It even sounds good. Not even giving the car full throttle. It sounds amazing. I can't get over it. You know, it also comes with wireless charging right here. Wish I could show you guys, but I don't have another phone to put in a wireless charger. But it's pretty cool. You know, it comes with Apple CarPlay. It comes with Android Auto. You just need a USB to set that up. And that's about it, man. That's one of the most important things here, that backup camera. That's what we love to see, huh? A lot of us hate looking over our head to back up and park down, but having that backup camera can be really beneficial. And here she is, y'all. Here she is. Beautiful Stinger. Oh man, never seen nothing like it. This color, like, I thought it was wolf gray at first, but it's really deceiving. But it's a beautiful color, all right? Let's go ahead and start getting some of this packaging off it though, all right? Man, we're kind of doing some one hand, you know? If it's like a stress reliever, you know what I'm saying? Man, don't let this heat fool y'all. It's very, very hot out here. Very, 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 very hot. Sometimes it sucks, man. Let's cut my nails. I don't got any nails for this right now. No nails, but we still gonna make it happen. Big dog relations. Get down low, please. Get down low. Two piece. Struggling. Gotta get low on them. There we go. Struggle bus. Oh, got it. There we go. Oh, can I get it? Yeah. Oh man. Oh, I left a piece over there. Oh, I got it. I got it. It's gonna be the hardest part. Let's see. Nope, it's not. Start up, y'all. What do we say? Ooh, there we go. Got all that plastic and stuff off it. Let's see how she drives. The cockpit, man. Got the AC booming and bunking. It's pretty cool when you put this thing in sport. So when you put this car in sport, basically the seats will hug you. So the seats will get tighter. So it knows, hey, you're about to go for that nice, fast, thrilling ride. It's really cool how it does this. Might leave it in sport. All right.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus crowd call in the sky. Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't option,
It's pretty cool how when you put the turn signal on it, it'll show your blind spots. It might not show up good on my camera, but it's pretty cool how you can see your blind spots whenever you're putting your turn signals on and stuff like that. So we'll turn this down, make sure I can hear me. There we go. That AC's booming. It's already like 90 degrees outside. It's getting pretty hot here. Another cool thing is that this car has heads-up display. You may not be able to see it, but it does have that heads-up display. See it, but it does have heads-up display as well. Basically, you can see your car on your windshield. It's pretty cool. Really cool. Really cool. Car has an amazing turn radius, by the way, as well. It's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, let's get out. Let's check out this car. Also, it's pretty cool how you have this gear shifter here as well. Got to be mindful though when you put it in park. Make sure you hit that button. Also, you do get your start stop as well. You can see your camera views on your screen once you hit that button. Really cool. Got your heated vented seats, heated steering wheel, different drive modes, traction control, your auto hold. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful car. But all right, y'all, let's check it out. All around look at this color. Hey, I'm sorry, y'all, but this camera view does this car like no justice. Like, you need to see this color in person. Like, and then you have the Stinger badge there, man. I don't know, y'all. Maybe I gotta get a Stinger. Maybe V8 just ain't it for me no more. I don't know. I might get one of these. It doesn't get any cleaner than this. No cleaner than this whatsoever. Hey, look, let's pop the trunk real quick. Get all this space in the trunk. Vicious. And you don't gotta do much. Hit a button. It closes. Hit that button and it closes. I know that's what y'all been waiting for. Let's pop the hood on it. Ugh. Here we go. Man, twin turbo Just all around amazing. Fast, beautiful. You know, take a girl out during the day, then you're in the streets by nighttime. Doesn't get any more better than this. No more better. No more better. I don't even know. I just, it's a beautiful car. Beautiful. Kia did a good job with this. They did a really amazing job. Really amazing job with this car. And oh man.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to.
Alright, y'all, that's the Kia Stinger 2023 GT2. Alright, if you guys got any additional questions, please let me know. You know, leave a comment down below. If you got any additional questions, shoot me a message. I'm happy to answer them. If I didn't cover anything in here, do you want to see more about the vehicle, please let me know. And if you're interested in purchasing it, also let me know as well. Alright, once again, it's your boy Leak. Love y'all. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video.